Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to POCO Pad. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To input this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, choose Scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Then close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!